Christmas?
Christmas is for sharing.
What is Christmas? Can't you guess?
Christmas is for happiness.
Where is Christmas?
Christmas is at your house.
Where is Christmas?
Christmas is at my house.
Where is Christmas? Can't you tell?
It's where loving people dwell.
And when does Christmas come? And when does Christmas leave? It comes but never goes for those who believe. What is Christmas?
Christmas is for living.
What is Christmas?
Christmas is for loving.
Christmas is for taking dreams and making dreams come true. Christmas is for everyone, especially for you. Christmas is for living. What is Christmas? Christmas is for loving. Christmas is for taking dreams and making dreams come true. Christmas is for everyone.